Hello everybody, this is Down Limited here tonight. And tonight we're going to talk about a Milwaukee cordless drill, probably from the mid-90s sometime. It's a 12 volt power plus. Picked it up at a garage sale the other day just to kind of try it out, and it's a good, decent little drill. Enough about talking about it. We'll kind of get down to it and kind of show what it looks like. So this is the Milwaukee drill. It's an older one. You got your reverse switch over here. So, and this is, you don't see these very often, not in this day and age. Sorry for the poor lighting. Well, how about that? The battery's about ready to die on me. So we're going to make this quick. Okay, we're going to get some screws out here. Thanks to the magic of video